If you're preparing for the SAP CS43 certification in 2026, pay close attention because the exam has completely changed. This is no longer just multiple choice. You'll be placed inside a live SAP system and asked to complete real tasks. Here's the catch. If you can't execute those tasks step by step, you can fail, even if you know the theory. This video is for anyone serious about passing the certification. I'll show you what the exam actually looks like, how these tasks work, and how to prepare the right way. By the end, you'll know exactly what to expect and how to pass on your first attempt. This exam is now a system-based, task-based assessment. That means no traditional MCQs as the main focus, no guessing answers, no theory-based evaluation. Instead, you get a task list, PDF, access to a live SAP system, real configuration and execution work. You will be required to set up configurations, perform system actions, follow exact SAP instructions, and once you're done, an automated system checks everything based on accuracy, structure, and system results. There are typically around 12 real system tasks in the exam, so this is no longer about knowing SAP. It's about doing SAP inside the system correctly. Now, let's go straight into what matters most, the actual task experience, because this is where most candidates get shocked. Task 1, Technical Object Setup. You are given a requirement. A company needs to create a new equipment object in SAP for maintenance tracking. Your job is to create a technical object in the system, assign it to the correct maintenance plant. Ensure all mandatory fields are correctly filled. If one field is wrong, the system may reject it. Task 2, Preventive Maintenance Configuration. Now you are asked to set up preventive maintenance. You must create a maintenance plan, assign equipment to it, define scheduling strategy, ensure maintenance calls are generated correctly. This is not theory. You are actually configuring SAP behavior. Task 3, Refurbishment Scenario. A spare part has been used and returned for refurbishment. You must update refurbishment status in SAP, process the material correctly in the system, ensure it is reintegrated into inventory. This tests real logistics and maintenance flow execution. Task 4, Maintenance Order Execution. You receive a maintenance request. Your job, create a maintenance order, assign the correct technical object, plan operations and work steps, release the order, miss a step, and the entire process flow breaks. Task 5, Notification Management. An equipment failure alert is triggered. You must create a maintenance notification, classify the issue correctly, link it to the right equipment, define follow-up actions. This tests how you handle real incident scenarios. Task 6, Customizing Configuration. Now you're asked to adjust system behavior. Your task, configure asset management settings. Align them with business requirements. Validate that changes are applied. This is where precision matters most, and where many candidates struggle. Task 7, Phase-Based Maintenance Setup. Finally, an advanced scenario. You must define maintenance phases. Assign tasks to each phase. Ensure correct sequencing. This tests deeper system understanding. Now here's the reality. In the exam, you won't get just one task. You'll get around 12 tasks like these back-to-back, inside a live system, with time pressure and zero room for guesswork. So how do you actually prepare for this? This is where most candidates make a mistake. They focus only on theory. But that's no longer enough. That's why many candidates are now moving to hands-on platforms like Certs Hero. Instead of just reading, you actually practice system-based task simulations, real exam-style questions, flashcards for quick revision, full mock exams. This helps you build real execution skills, understand task patterns, reduce exam anxiety, improve speed and accuracy. Because inside the real exam, you don't have time to figure things out. You only have time to execute. If you want to practice system-based tasks, check the link in the description for hands-on simulations, mock tests, and flashcards. And if this video helped you understand the new exam format, make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned. Because in the next videos, we'll break down real SAP task simulations step by step.